Hello everyone, namaste. Welcome back to the channel. Those who are new here, thank you for watching. If you're liking the videos, please share them, subscribe to the channel, and press that bell icon for further notifications. This is a general timeless reading for the collective today. So take only what resonates and leave the rest. Meanwhile, if you're interested in one-on-one personal reading, so you can always contact me for further inquiries. So let's check out what's happening in your life today. So the energies are very good here. All the major arcana cards are here. We have got, and the card of our day is this 369 magic manifesting card. So just look at the cards, very beautiful energies, very major shifts coming up for you. Okay. So the magician is definitely reminding you of your powers, your skills, those manifestations, see magic and magic manifesting. So definitely you have these resources and you have all the tools, and you just focus needs to be on manifesting your desires here. It represents that potential, that confidence, and action oriented energy here. So definitely new opportunity may be within your reach now, but you have to make it happen. Okay, so you have been given all the tools here. You just need to use them wisely. Okay, so this is a sign of that creativity. Also this is represents your chakras. If we talk about, so it talks about your palm chakras, your hands. So okay, this is like whatever you create now because of this creativity, so you will manifest things faster. Okay, this is card of action and that's success. Okay, so magician is calling you to express your ideas and your desires in terms of your work or your career. So it's time for communicating and expressing yourself. Also it's card of that invention and traveling, so me or maybe self-employed. So if you have any idea you want to invest in, and you want to start your business, maybe you want to be self-employed, so this is the card of that entrepreneurship. Okay, so it broadens your horizons here. Okay, whatever you want to do, you will have this drive to move forward and take new steps and new creative approaches you want to take towards your career or work things. Okay, so this is like you have this magic wand and you have the ability to transform whatever you choose. Okay, so magician is very positive card in your reading. Also it shows that connecting with your higher self, or your true self, and acting with pure intentions if we connected with spiritual things. So there's this significant journey you're taking on, and this could mean you are finding a new employment, or maybe wherever you're working right now you will get new directions to approach new things and achieve them. Okay, then we have this beautiful wheel of fortune here. So definitely wheel is turning in your favor here. Okay, see those angels sitting there, they are looking after whatever the hard work you're putting in. Okay, this is a card of that fate and those cycles. Okay, the divine timing, and things are now going to change for you. The luck is coming, life is in motion now, so expect changes, or this is could be a turning point for you in your life. It may be that's the destiny stepping forward for you. Okay, and bringing those karmic rewards you have worked on so far, that shifts beyond your control. So fortune is now favoring you, but you need to be in tune with your higher self and your intuitive powers, because it is heightened at this point, and you may find yourself uh, maybe tuning into people from past. It could also mean. Okay, so who, yeah, like magically reappear, because it is like a wheel. So when wheel turns, so all those things we have passed from, and we have come so far from, they come again, and this is like a test for you, if you have learned your lessons or not. On that basis you will be given rewards. Okay, so this is a very positive card here. Okay, in terms of your career or your finances, this is like a news coming in that will improve your situation if currently you're going through anything. And you may need to prioritize the demands here if you're working that on that project, or maybe something you're producing. So rather than preferring yourself and your comfort zone, you need to first fulfill the demands. Okay, so adapt to changes, that's the meaning here. Okay, but one thing for sure is that you're definitely receiving those rewards of your good deeds here. Okay, then we have this death card, so definitely that transformation and endings, new beginnings, and that rebirth happening for you. So you need to let go. Maybe there are few of your own habits, you need to let go of them, come out of that, maybe your comfort zone. So you have to make little changes in maybe your day to day schedule. And there's something, if anyways, if you will not change that, the things are going to change. Okay, so the death card is like that. Definitely transformation will happen, but it's good that you go with the flow and accept those things. So major endings and a new transition is happening, so something must be released to allow a more aligned phase to begin. Okay, so if you have magician and wheel of fortune, so death card is here to show that, okay, leave those habits behind, leave, if something is coming in your way, then you are this magician, you can create new things. Definitely wheel is turning in your favor, but some things need to be left behind, and in order to move forward. Okay, so powerful that inner or outer transformation is definitely unfolding for you here. Okay, then we have this four of wands. I don't know who is getting married here, but there's something, some kind of a celebration going on. Definitely that foundation, that harmony, that home, energy is here. Okay, so card of joy, that achievement. Maybe you have changed yourself, those habits, and now you are magician, you created something, and wheel is rewarding you, and now you're celebrating that. Okay, just look at the cards, the sequence, very beautiful. And it's like, the harmony in relationships also. This is, first of all, the card of marriage, so that commitment card, and celebrating a significant success also. Okay, so you definitely know major shifts are coming for you. These are major arcana cards all. Okay, so also in numerologically, if we see, so 1 to between 5 or 4 months, there's definitely something big coming up for you. I'm feeling that. Okay, so take it positively. Okay, it may feel intense because of the death card here. Okay, but you are in a period where your actions, in terms of your magician, are creating momentum for you, that in form of that way. So karmic shift and a transformation, this is a destined turning point for you. you know Also, we have God is beautiful, unstoppable, and Shiva is here. See, if we see Shiva and this death card, so definitely, the God of destruction and recreation. So definitely, this is coming in your life where something is getting destroyed and you are getting something new. Okay, this is the card of that supreme consciousness. Okay, if we'll see also in your spiritual form, and 369 magic manifesting, definitely with that magician card. So there's no doubt you are in powerful manifestation portal. Okay, so align your thoughts and emotions here, you are unstoppable here. Okay, and align your actions here, repeating numbers like 369, work on that frequency, or maybe that is the energy around you right now, universal energy of that is creation and alignment and abundance. So that's the star card of our reading today. Okay, 369. And Shiva definitely, the destruction that leads to rebirth. So old paradigms need to shift now, and are being shattered. Definitely, so higher conscious, that freedom, that clarity can emerge for you. You are being spiritually awakened and liberated at the same time at this time. Okay, because we have blessing in this, guys. So what feels like a loss now at the death card, but that's a delay, or unexpected changes actually working in your favor. Okay, so there's this divine intervention at play, because wheel of fortune also is here. So trust the process, the outcome will be better than you have ever imagined. Okay, very powerful cards. I can't imagine all the decks combined. If we see, they are giving that abundant energy here. Okay, definitely be ready to receive, because we have this receive card. So you have been asked to stop resisting, and allow blessings and guidance or help to flow in. Okay, so be open energetically, emotionally, and definitely spiritually. Okay, you don't have to do everything alone. If you need help maybe in your work, so if you have someone you can take guidance from, definitely go to them, and you must ask for their advice, okay? And unstoppable is also you are on a path of divine momentum, even if things seem slow or difficult now, but your energy cannot be, blocked in any way. So you are meant to move forward with strength and that faith and clarity, okay? So let go of any attachments or your past version, okay, to receive new things. So if we look at your complete reading, you are being led by both your inner power and divine intervention here, okay? Confirm that your intentions are strong and you have cosmic support to create a new life phase here, okay? So divine timing and unexpected shift that are working behind the scenes for you, even that feels like chaos, but that is, helping realigning your destiny here, okay? And in your transformation in spirituality possible and ego death happening, letting go of attachments or some habits will help you well. So you are definitely ready to receive, so show that joy, stability and success are coming, and be open to it, okay? Let yourself receive what you have been asking for, okay? So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Namaste.